Your Bluetooth speaker connects to your phone just fine. Music starts playing. Then, a few minutes in, the audio cuts out, sometimes for a split second, sometimes for several seconds, then it comes back like nothing happened. Or the music stutters and skips. The audio gets choppy. Words in podcasts and more start to disappear mid-sentence. The connection seems fine, but the sound keeps breaking up. This is one of the most frustrating Bluetooth problems because the speaker is connected. It's paired. It's working, just not consistently. Here's what's actually causing this and how to fix it. The number one cause of Bluetooth audio cutting out is wireless interference. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band. This is the same frequency used by Wi-Fi routers, microwave ovens, cordless phones, baby monitors, and countless other wireless devices in your home. When multiple devices compete for this frequency, your Bluetooth connection suffers. The speaker receives corrupted data packets and audio drops out while it tries to recover. The fix is simple. Move your phone and speaker away from your Wi-Fi router. Even 10 feet of additional distance makes a significant difference. If someone is using the microwave, that's likely your problem. Microwaves blast interference on the 2.4 GHz band while operating. Also disconnect or turn off other Bluetooth devices you're not using. Each active Bluetooth connection adds congestion, and stay within 10 feet of your speaker when possible. The closer you are, the stronger the signal and the more resistant to interference. The second cause is low battery. This affects both your phone and your speaker. When battery gets low, devices reduce power to the Bluetooth radio to conserve energy. This weakens the signal and causes dropouts. Check your speaker's battery level. If it's below 20%, charge it before troubleshooting further. Also check if your phone is in low power mode or battery saver mode. These modes throttle Bluetooth performance. Try testing with both devices fully charged or plugged into power. If the cutting out stops, battery was your issue. The third cause is corrupted pairing data. When you pair a Bluetooth device, your phone saves connection information including encryption keys and audio settings. Over time, this data can become corrupted through incomplete disconnections or software updates. The fix is to forget the speaker and pair it fresh. Go to your Bluetooth settings and find your speaker in the list of paired devices. Select Forget this device or unpair, then turn your speaker completely off for about 10 seconds. Put it back into pairing mode and connect again from your phone. This creates entirely new pairing data and often fixes random audio dropouts that nothing else seems to solve. The fourth cause is power management on your phone. Both iPhones and Android phones aggressively manage background processes to save battery. When your screen turns off, your phone may throttle or pause Bluetooth activity. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off. On Android, the fix is more involved. Go to Settings, then Apps. Find your music app and the Bluetooth app, if listed separately. Tap on Battery and select Unrestricted. This tells Android to let these apps run without power-saving restrictions. Some Android phones also have additional battery optimization settings that affect Bluetooth. Look in your battery settings for anything that mentions sleeping apps or background restrictions. The fifth thing to check is distance and obstacles. Bluetooth works best within about 30 feet with clear line of sight. Walls, furniture, and your own body can block or weaken the signal. If you're in another room from your speaker, try moving closer. If your phone is in your back pocket, the signal has to pass through your body to reach the speaker. Try keeping your phone on the same side as the speaker. If none of these fixes work, try restarting both your phone and your speaker. Power both completely off, wait 10 seconds, then turn them back on. This clears temporary glitches in the Bluetooth stack. Also check for software updates on your phone. Bluetooth bugs get fixed in operating system updates, and if your speaker has a companion app, check if there's a firmware update available. Quick summary. First, move away from Wi-Fi routers and microwaves. Second, check battery levels on both devices. Third, forget and repair the speaker. Fourth, disable battery saver modes. Fifth, stay close to the speaker. Most Bluetooth audio cutting issues come from interference or power management settings. Start with those fixes first. For more troubleshooting guides, please visit mrgrid.io.